Hi, welcome again to today's tutorial, and today we'll be under conic section. We'll be dealing with parabola, and under that, very quickly in the space of 10 seconds you'll be able to learn how to find the lactose rectum, the vertex and the focus of a parabola. So let's begin with the lactose rectum. Now the first thing you need to do before solving for the lactose rectum, so ensure that always the coefficient of x squared should be 1 at any point. That is to say, if I'm having 2 here, for instance, you must divide everything by 2 just to cancel this. So at every point, the coefficient of x squared will be 1. In some equation, you'll be given y squared minus 4x. Ensure that the coefficient of y squared is 1 depending on the values you are being given. So here I'm giving x squared. So since it is 1, the next thing I need to do now, our lactose rectum will be equals to the coefficient of y, which is minus 12. So that's just the lactose rectum. But the thing you need to be watchful of is the coefficient of x squared. It needs to be 1. So our lactose rectum is the coefficient of y, which is 12, negative 12. And remember that lactose rectum measures the length between 2 points in a parabola. Since it measures the length in a parabola, we are going to find the modulus, which will be equals to 12 and not negative 12. So the lactose rectum of this parabolic equation is 12. Now we know from the equation lactose rectum is equals to 4a, and our lactose rectum is 12. Now we want to look for a. A will be equals to 12 over 4, which will give us, finally give us 3. So we are going to make use of this a while solving for the vertex and the focus. Now this is all about the lactose rectum. Now let's go to the vertex. The vertex of this equation is very simple. The first thing we do is that we take our equation x squared minus 4x minus 12y plus 4 is equals to 0. Now at this point, we differentiate just the value of x and treating y as a constant. That is, when we differentiate a constant, we get 0. But differentiating the value with respect to x, I'm having x squared here, which will give me 2x. And here I'm having 4x. Negative 4x, differentiating this will give me negative 4. And I equate it to 0. So what you are going to do here is you just look for x. Then my 2x will be equals to 4. Therefore, x will be equals to 4 over 2. Divide both sides by 2. X will be equals to 2. Now, since x is equals to 2, let's take that down. S equals to 2. We want to look for the value of y. Since s is equals to 2, you substitute the value of 2 in the equation. Then I'm having 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 12y plus 4 is equals to 0. This is 4 minus 8 minus 12y plus 4 is equals to 0. So 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 8 is 0. So I'm having, let's take this slowly so we understand. This is 4 plus 4 minus 8 is equals to 12y. So this is 0 is equals to 12y. That is, y is equals to 0 over 12, which will give us 0. So the vertex of this parabola equation is 2, 0. Now, to find the focus of this equation, all we need to do, since you are working with the x variable, you open your brackets, you need a x and a y. Our x, we take s as it is and we put it here, comma. Now, to look for our y variable, we are going to deduct our y, our value for y, from our value for a. That is, it will be 0 minus 3, which is 0 plus 3, and it is giving us 3. So the focus of this parabola is 2, So this is the shortest way you will find to find the lactose, rectum, vertex and focus of a parabola. So thanks for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.